In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile phone to convert a PDF file into a Word document. To convert a PDF into Word, we need to have the Microsoft Word app installed in our phone. If you don't have it already installed, you can go to Play Store and find the Microsoft Word application to install. So once installed, you open the Microsoft Word app and sign into your account. You need to have a Microsoft account. So let me show you by opening a PDF file, for example. So this is a PDF file I am opening using the Microsoft Word app. Now on top of the document, you see an icon of edit. So this edit icon, when you tap, it will convert the PDF file into a Word document. So it takes some time depending on the type of the file and what are the elements within the file. Now we can see that the file that is converted into a Word document is not exactly as our original file. Sometimes it happens due to different font types and different elements. So let us try another file. So this is one more file. So I'm again tapping to convert it into a Word document. Now this time the conversion seems better. To edit the file, we need to save a copy and then we can edit the converted file. So I have saved a copy, so now I can edit this file. So this file I can edit as I like, as in a normal Word document. But there are some of the elements which is there in the original file has been converted as pictures, which may have some problems in future in your edits. So this is one of the quirks in this conversion. But as a whole, the conversion of PDF to Word is very quick and it does a pretty decent job. Even though it is not perfect, it is a very helpful feature to have in your phone or in the office or in the Microsoft Word app. So thank you for today. See you soon with a new video.